Hello beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, please subscribe and like my video. Today video is all about celebrating the timeless beauty and grace of women through the accurate word of necklace. If you are jewelry enthusiast or someone looking to enhance your styles, you are in the fashion for a treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's dive into the enchanting but the beautiful necklace. Number 1. The elegance of necklace. There are someone enchanting about a well chosen necklace. It has the power to elevate any outfits, turning the ordinary into the necklace. Have a unique ability to express personal style. And let tell a story. Today we'll explore the diverse world of necklace and why they are an outstanding accessory for every woman. Number 2. Types of necklace. Now let's talk about the different types of necklace that create to various style and occasions. From dainty chokers to sophistication peril, the options are timeless. Whether you're into the vintage webs, modern chic, or Fledera necklace for every taste. Let's take a color look at some more popular stylish and the occasions they are perfect for display and discuss example of pendant necklace, statement necklace, pearl necklace, long chains. Number 3. Choosing the right necklace for your styles. Know how to choose the perfect necklace for your styles. It's all about understanding your personality, the coins and the necklace of your outfit. We'll share some two tips and tricks to help you make the right choice. Remember, the right necklace can transform your entire look and boost your confidence. Number 4. Caring for your necklace. Once you have found the perfect necklace, it's crucial to take good care of it. Is ensure to stay as stunning as the day you go it. We'll go over some simply yet effective tips of cleaning, strong and maintaining your necklace. After all, will maintaining necklace is a timeless treasures. Number 5. Showcasing beautiful necklace. Before we wrap up, let's showcase some beautiful but taking necklace that have caught your eye recently. From standard pieces to classic designs, highlights a few necklaces that embody to essence of elegance and beauty. Get ready to be by in surprise. And there you have it. The enchanting world of beautiful necklace. We hope this video has a sparked your person for wedding yourself with timeless piece of art. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your favorite necklace styles or stories in the content comments below. Thank you for joining us today. And until next time, stay beautiful and shine on.